So I have another Coach bag. Got my Coach bag for my birthday. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to use my birthday coupon for that bag. So I've been stalking the Coach websites, and there's a mountain of things that I have my eye on. I'm going to unbox her. I knew once I saw her that she was like the perfect fall bag. Really excited right now. This is the box. Oh my god. She is absolutely stunning. And this is her. Oh my god. May I say, the leather on this feels amazing. But I'm gonna unwrap this. I do like the fact that you do get 2 chains for the price, and this also has a lot of room. What I love about the Dinky is the original OG turn knob right here. There is plenty of room in there for, you know, the essentials. I really don't carry a whole lot. I like smaller bags. So I thought this was perfect. And again, it just felt like the best fall bag. That beautiful chocolatey brown. I believe this is in the color maple. Yeah, maple, and it's with the silver hardware. It has a pocket in the inside right here by the flap, which I thought was like pretty cool. You can like hide your little toiletries. Usually I carry like an extra ladies products in there, my perfume and stuff. And then there is a pocket right in the front here. And then there's a pocket in the back. So yes, I'm super excited and happy with my purchase. I definitely look forward to having this in my fall wardrobe, and I just need to find a long strap so I can wear her as a crossbody. But this is absolutely stunning and perfect.